Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll see how to consult your list of clients and leads. It's really easy. In your back office, go to the menu Clients. Once your shop is published, you'll find two tabs, a Clients tab and a Leads tab. In the Clients tab, you'll find the list of all your clients, meaning users who finalized at least one purchase in your shop. You can find here several useful information to manage your client base. Client ID, which is a unique ID assigned to each of your clients or leads when creating their account on your shop. Name and email of the client. Information on their last order. The last acquisition channel of the client. And their total spend. At the top of the screen, you'll find a shortcut to send a push notification to all or part of your clients. Finally, by clicking on one of the clients, you access their detail file with their contact detail, which you can manually edit from your back office except the email address. To do this, click on the pen icon next to the title Contact. Their billing and shipping address. You can modify both of these default email addresses by clicking on Change Default Address. If your client provided more than one address, you will be able to choose the one to use by default. Note on the client. This is a free text field that allows you to add notes on the clients, and those notes are only visible in the back office. Their statistics. The inflow display here are about their purchasing behavior. Total of orders, the purchase frequency, cart average, orders total spend. Their order history, which is the list of all the orders placed by this client, including the date, number, amount, and source of the order. This is for the client's part. Now let's look at the leads part. Here you'll find the list of your leads, meaning users who created an account on your shop but haven't finalized a purchase yet. Since leads haven't made a purchase yet, it's normal for the fields to be empty. Only the email address will appear, and it's mandatory to create an account. If they provided their name when creating the account, they'll show as well. You'll find the same features and information as on the Clients tab. Voila, you now know how to consult the list of your clients and leads. See you soon for another tutorial.